Alright guys, I'm here to give my first flight since the crash of my 180 CFX. As you can see, I kind of went overboard over the crash. I actually blew a servo there in mid-flight, and actually that's the only thing I needed was new servo and landing gear. But I kind of just went and redid everything here. I got all metal gear servos here now. I got the metal torque tube, double bearing metal torque tube in here as well, and the case, tail case, crank, pitch slider, grips, and then up at the front there I got the swash, the aluminum posts, and anti-rotation head, main grips. I think I already said the carbon fiber gear, and I also got the carbon fiber main blades. So we'll give her a go here, see how she flies with the new build here. That looks good. Alright, here we go. Everything seems to be working good. Here we go. Seems pretty solid. Feels really rigid, holy smokes. Try out up here. Seems good too. Here we go, it's 3D. Whoo! That one was close.
Time expired.
Anyway, she flies pretty solid, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.